Hi, I'm Rebecca Kennedy. I'm one of the managers in the physiotherapy service in Swansea Bay. We're here at Dynamic Rock, which is one of the places we're using to give children known to our services the opportunity to participate in activity and sport. So often they just need to have that confidence or to have tried something with a little bit of support from us to feel able to continue that independently afterwards. We've had great feedback and there's been additional benefits. So not only are they doing more activity, but they've made friends, they're feeling more confident, and I think there's been a well-being improvement as well as their fitness and activity level. They come in and they're really nervous. They needed quite a lot of coaxing to join in, but it's lovely to see them once they've warmed up, and there's great comradeship. You see, arms around each other and a helping hand if somebody's a bit stuck. Yeah. So there's been unexpected benefits from it too. I'd really encourage people to have a go. The benefits are outstanding, really. There's lots of opportunities out there that are really accessible, and if you're a bit shy or a bit worried, take a friend, take a family member, and it doesn't even have to be sport or exercise, it can just be activity. So the whole ethos here is about encouraging people to be more active, and that can just be having a little play in the park, walking to the shop, walking a bit further than you would normally, but I think for children particularly it's the fun element that you get out of these activities.